What's up? So, yesterday I was on call with all of my friends from school, which we call ourselves the Rampa group for some reason, which is a secret, and we will reveal it in another vlog. I'm just trying to create some suspicion around like some mystery. Anyway, so we got on call, and Shalmari had this idea that we should do Secret Santa, and everyone loved it, and everyone just jumped on board instantly. And we all decided budget, and we all drew names, and so we are going to do it now. Who was supposed to be here with you?
Yeah.
Say hi to the vlog. Guys! Oh, I'm muted. Shit.
So that's fine.
Okay, guys, say hi to the vlog.
Guys, say hi to them. We are being forced to do this.
What's today's date? Yeah, it's 18 December and we are going to get together in a week.
Yeah.
But we're planning stuff. We're mostly just talking, but...
And now, Sunny, keep shooting, huh? Now you
Okay, and we're going to have 2 cams this time.
And this is Angad Cam perspective of the same thing, which will switch halfway.
Should I promote so you guys can get my chair?
Yeah, and that is Advait's chair.
Yeah.
Who has stayed with us through thick and thin.
Explain the situation.
And now we switch back to Tanvi Cam.
Cut.
It's like there is a creature there. It has like eyes and nose.
Look at this. Okay, anyway, see you guys in 6 days. Bye.
What all things do we bring from like our houses?
Like ourselves.
Yeah, and the gifts.
And the gift.
Oh, right.
Oh, by the way, guys, before we start, I just wanted to ask, like, have all of your bought gifts?
Like
I only decided what to buy.
This bad boy just got delivered. I'm gonna click so many pictures. I'm so excited.
Alright, this is Angad Cam for the party. I'm all set. And I'm waiting for my ride. So my ride is here and my ride is... It's me! It's Vedang.
Yes.
In a rickshaw. We are on our way to Advait's place.
Advait's place. Yeah, I was late because the meeting ran long. And Angad made me wait like 20 minutes, guys. Mera to fault hai re.
Of course.
Yes.
Yes, the fact that he had to defend right there. So we'll see you guys inside. Bye, Bol.
Bye.
When you said Jeffy had a puffcorn, buff body, soft body.
In your vlog, basically, I have party.
भाई लाइट ही नहीं है.
Make it fake.
Cheers.
Okay, I'll choose sad.
Thanks man. Flash no. Someone put flash. Give.
This is way too much preparation for just
Yeah,
a
okay, put.
candid
Just put.
What are you guys doing?
day you
He's-
find
he's-
out. Say action.
Action.
Oh god.
Okay, so he just slurped.
Yeah, they saw that in nice lighting.
Let's go in a round and talk about our Santi. No. First guess.
Tanvi, you give the worst suggestions.
Great time to vlog Angad Cam. Great time to
Cam is taking over the main cam. The cam is becoming main cam. Sorry.
I am going to edit.
Me, I am the cam now.
Guys, everyone clap, okay? Do you wanna announce something? Non-cam people clap. Now it's gonna look hella staged.
वही ना.
Guys, you want to explain what happened? What happened, guys?
मैंने उसका रिंग ले लिया. मेरे रूम में जाना है.
मेरे से बिल्कुल घर पे जाता
You
है.
guys exchange rings.
Okay, so we're starting with the Secret Santa gifts. Okay.
Yeah.
The first one says Pehchan gone and 2 medalers. So.
You printed it. Nice. I appreciate the commitment.
Can you guess?
Dude, the only person.
Do you want to guess who is it from?
It says
What was your previous guess?
My previous guess was Vedant, but
Okay.
it's not Vedant.
I
Because
think I would have said the same. But I was going to, but I didn't. Okay, his previous guess was Vedant. So open the gift and then see if you still think it's Vedant.
I think it's Tanvi.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Okay, open it.
Hi guys, so I'm recording this video at like 3 a.m. the night before the party because I know that if I forget, Tanvi will literally murder me. So yeah, for the vlog. So my child is Angad, and when you think of Angad, you obviously think of music-rated stuff. So I thought of getting him like band T-shirts or guitar picks, stuff like that. But I didn't know what he was into, so I even thought I'd call up his mom and ask कि आपका बच्चा क्या सुन रहा है रूम में ज़रा बताओ. But I figured that stuff might get repeated that way because he does have a lot of band T-shirts. So I thought that his new aesthetic is more like Fab India shirts kind of thing. And I got one from Myntra. So it's already wrapped, obviously because I was too lazy. And they have an option. So this is the gift. And yeah, this is the card which says from Pehchan Kaun to Meddler, and the message is you sus. I don't think he's gonna get ki this is a gift from me. And yeah, Angad, I hope you like it. I came up with the idea completely on my own. It was an original idea. But in case you don't like it, it was definitely Shalini's. But you will like it. So it's my idea.
I don't know, tear the wrapping paper. It's nice.
Arey bro,
अरे bro, कर रहे.
please.
Fast forward करना इसको.
Yeah, it's Shalini.
I mean, Angad is opening it, so he can't.
Thanks for filming it.
Hype, 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 hype,
Woo, woo,
hype, 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 hype.
What is it?
Okay, open it.
Oh, nice.
What is it?
It's a shirt from Fab India, which I love. Thanks, y'all.
Okay, who do you think it is now? Now that you see the gift.
Is it you?
I don't know, man.
If
If I make one guess,
No.
and then we'll see last bit.
Okay, one final guess who it is.
Guys, just note it down so that we know who.
It's fine, it's very
It's fine,
fucking.
we have to record
I'm not,
it.
come on, final
This is
guess.
honestly a little difficult, man. My third guess would be Kumar, but honestly, I don't know.
Okay, a final guess, Amit. Come on, just one name.
No,
one
no,
name.
no. This is too much pressure. I'm not making a final guess.
Oh my god, Angad, you have to. That's how the game works.
Come on, just
Just
one
say
guess.
random now and
It's
say what I say.
fine.
What do you
Okay, Shalmali.
But in case you don't like it, it was definitely Shalini's idea.
Whatever.
But I would like to say I love this so much. Thank you. I stand for it.
Angad, now you pick some gift up.
Okay.
Like, oh, sorry, sorry. No.
What
So
is
do I?
Pick up some gift. Pick up any gift. It's
Any
they're all under the table, so just pick it up.
Just pick it up, huh?
Oh, even I picked that up.
I'll tell you who it is. Oh, the child's name is Sign V by Cosby. So I think.
Oh,
it's
so.
you.
This child has been nice. Santa has put them on the nice list. The child's name is Sign Me by Cosby. And
There's a right angle triangle. That's so cute.
I
So
love
someone
it.
is science for sure.
Yeah, I think my first guess,
Okay, what's your first guess?
my first guess was Rohan.
Okay.
Like before even getting the gift. But let's see.
Yeah, because तूने उसको डांटा.
This is going to get edited out. But anyway.
Hello everyone. Hi YouTube. Hi mom, I'm on YouTube. Hi Tanvi's extended friend group. I'm Yash and I have Tanvi for Secret Santa, and at first I had no clue what I should be gifting her because I had not spoken to her for years. But then as I stayed on the video call on the day which we decided that we're going to do Secret Santa, just in the following couple minutes she herself said that she was watching Queen's Gambit and that she had queued a chess set for herself. So this is either going to be a disaster or it's going to be really good because I got her a chess set.
What is it?
Oh, it's a chess. It's a chess set.
my chest set and a lot of pieces were lost. So thank you so much.
Who do you think it is? Final.
Good. Okay. So I mentioned this on that call. I remember like the last one that I had. So I can only eliminate Kumar because he was not there.
I have Tanvi for Secret Santa.
So I don't know.
Tanvi, guess yaar final.
अभी now you have to make a guess.
Bro, pressure is on.
Handwriting, yeah.
And Tanvi, only one final guess you get.
Sorry. Who do you think it is? Come on, final. One guess, one name.
One, you have to.
I know this handwriting.
I feel like it's Angad. It could be Angad. My guess is Angad.
Angad. Okay, fine. Pick a gift next.
Okay, fine.
Okay, I have written down.
Okay, I'm gonna record this in parts because.
Jeffy.
Oh.
Let's go Jeffy.
Where are you? Oh, damn. I have to switch spots then.
Take the whole bag. I love it.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm surprised.
Jeffy, do you want to guess before?
Yeah, guess.
I know who it is.
Wait, who?
Oh, really?
Why?
Why?
Hi guys. Okay, so Tanvi asked us to record us either buying Secret Santa's presents or wrapping them, I guess. So I'm gonna record them now. I don't know if they're supposed to show the presents. I guess that's the point. But yeah, so my Secret Santa is Jeffy, and I got him a pair of socks that have bugs on it. I don't know if I suck at this. I clearly suck at this. Okay, that has like little cute bugs on it. I'll like take better shots later, I guess. And I also got him a pair of rings that look super edgy and cool because I've seen him wear rings. So yeah, and I also got him like a blue sapphire, that's the tone, nail polish because I've also seen him wear nail polish. So I think he's into it. So I think he liked his presents. Okay, so those were the presents. I'm gonna try and wrap them in a conspicuous way. So okay, so I saw this trend on TikTok in which people wrap presents that in a way that it looks nothing like what the present is. So I'm gonna try to wrap it like that, but no guarantee. It may not work, it might be a total fail. But yeah, that's from my end. Okay, bye. And I try to wrap it as a teddy bear, you know, for the TikTok trend. I don't even make TikTok, but yeah, I just wanted to try it. But yeah, and it kind of looks like a teddy bear. I'll show you guys in the next clip. I'll give myself a 10 on 10. Okay, so I just finished wrapping Jeffy's present. It took around 10-15 minutes, I guess, I don't know. And here's the clip of the teddy bear. So yeah, it kind of resembles a teddy bear. Like it has like arms and like legs and like poppy ears and a face and like a squishy stomach. So yeah, I mean, it just kind of looks like a teddy bear, but it definitely doesn't look like socks, rings, and nail paint. So that's that.
So part 1 is socks, one pair. I fucking love socks. And these have a pug wearing a donut around its neck. So I fucking love this shit. Everyone knows. Are you sure with your family? No, let me finish. Whoever did this, I am. They are very evil. They have beaten me. Yes, I know. And I got a pair of black paint. And he was running out of the black paint I had. Okay. So there are two possible guesses.
Listen to his guesses, guys.
So the nail paint thing, only like 2 people knew who I, like 3 people knew I was doing the nail paint thing.
Listen, everyone who came to Marindra.
No, Kumar, I sent to Kumar a picture before the vlog. Kumar knew before the vlog.
Okay, so everyone knew basically. Everyone knew.
But Email packaging I have discussed only with one person. Shalmali.
Okay, good.
This is to Srinidhi from the Secret Santa.
Srinidhi, any guesses? Finally.
I think this Rohan brought it.
I know who it isn't.
I think Rohan brought this. I know it isn't.
Okay.
Can you raise the face without breaking the...
Okay, cool.
Hey.
Okay, open it. Open it.
Rohan brought this, right? Oh wait! Open this came with Shalmali. I know that. When Shalmali entered this bag.
So I got Srinidhi for the Secret Santa, and I've been actually thinking about what to gift her. I know that she likes art. I don't know what specific kind of art. I'm not into art that much, so also I know she likes plants, so I don't think I can gift her a plant though. So I have to see, and I'm thinking about something good. And given the budget that we have, I really have to think about it. Okay, so it is really difficult choosing a gift for Srinidhi, and I also started a little late because of my exam on 18th. So I did some research. I asked a few friends and colleagues about what to gift a friend and what will be a nice gift for Secret Santa or something along those lines. And I think the best option I could think of for gifting something was a personal care kit. So I ordered one online, and I'll show it once it's here, and let's hope Srinidhi likes it. I mean, the pressure is real, you guys know. Okay guys, the gift is here, the one that I ordered online. So let's look at it. Let's look at what it is.
Everyone thinks Santa is Shalmali.
Yeah.
It's okay, you can get it wrong, it's okay.
Yeah.
What do you have to say about this?
Because
Apparently, I'm
because
not
one Santa, which is great. We know Shalmali will put in effort into something, so that means everyone has put in effort. So that was good.
Standards,
That
yeah.
was good. Oh my god! Wow. It's like shampoo. I think it's perfume.
Oh yeah. Better guess than shampoo, I guess.
Oh yeah.
It looks like sanitizer.
Very relevant gift.
Very even. Still good though.
Lot of gifting places are giving sanitizers in the gift.
Okay, Srinidhi, final guess.
Bro, ये knife ले. Give it a knife.
No, don't give her a knife.
No, I don't trust her.
I know she'll be fine. Are you sure?
Please be careful.
Are you sure about this? Because I don't think you should use it.
Happy
You're 3 runs down, please be careful.
birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Srinidhi. Only even if recent birthdays happen of other than
She has a serial killer grip on the knife.
हाँ dude, she has that for stabbing वाला grip.
यार ये कैसा गिफ्ट रैप किया है?
God, what is it?
It's a shampoo. That could be me too. But dude, I really think it's a perfume.
Who is it from?
I don't.
Who do you think?
Shampoo
it's
is
from?
not from liquid. ये बैग के साथ आया था.
Okay.
I don't even remember मैं क्या बैग के साथ आया था. तेरे को कैसे याद है?
Maybe Rohan and I exchanged
I
bags.
remember your bag, but it's got next to it now.
Exactly, इसको भी याद नहीं है. तेरे को कैसे याद रहेगा?
Okay, I'm gonna pause.
Who do you think it's from?
Japanese cherry blossom.
Who do you think it's from?
I think it's Rohan. I have a
Okay.
feeling
Okay, her guess is Rohan.
Even I don't
Okay.
remember मैं कौन सा बैग लाया था. dude.
Okay, so you
Srinidhi,
pick a
next one.
present.
You pick
Pick a
the next
present for the next person.
Yeah, 1 second.
While you struggle with your gifts.
You know what? We can
Struggle
first
on your
then
own
struggle
time.
later. Yeah.
Yeah, struggle on your own time.
Oh wow! What is this?
What is that?
Online खरीदा है.
I think it's like a body wash with coconut. Yeah, I like this.
Someone should get coke.
Somebody should get what?
Coke. Like cocaine.
I would love that.
Okay,
give this to us.
Srinidhi, pick a gift for someone else now.
I know. Okay. Came back,
Okay, is the other blue gift with or without?
Same trapping.
Kumar, faster than a ninja, you're my homie from the hood. Here are 3 hand-picked gifts. Choose your powers for good.
So I'm heading to the mall of everyone's dreams, which is Viviana, to buy Kumar's gift. Let's go. Okay, so I'm back from Viviana Mall and I got 3 things for my secret Santi, who is Kumar. I feel like these 3 things really embody Kumar as a person. So the first thing I got for him is a slime that says neon and is blue because Sapphire House. And I think he'll have a lot of fun with this. I hope so. The second thing I got for him is what I'm the most proud of, which is a robotic hand, and it does this. I think it'll help him on his poking adventures, and you can also hold the slime with the hand, so they both go hand in hand. And lastly, I have this dope ass mug, which I thought was really dope ass for the dope ass person that is Kumar. So these are my 3 gifts. I hope you like it, Yash.
We'll find out soon. Advait knows the handwriting then.
It's because of
Okay, wow.
What is that?
Holy
Wow. No.
Bro,
Yeah, like, you can grab this. You can grab this. Woo!
Bro, baby, good one.
Woo!
And a mug. Thank you.
Woo! That's very sweet. I think it's a 3 hand pick,
Yeah,
right?
it's 3, right?
Open the mug. Guys, who do you get think it is?
So mine is Jackie.
Ooh, squishy slime.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, Kumar, pick a gift for the next person.
Who is this?
I don't know. Oh my God, climbing.
Okay, I think I know the handwriting.
Who is it? Who do you think?
Who do you think? या
नहीं।
खोल के भी बोल सकता है।
Dude, दोनों अलग है.
खोलना. Read it out.
मम्मी का वाला लिखा है।
तू रोहन लिखे that's it.
एक
But
मम्मी
दोनों में
पापा
T
से
अलग है.
T
सीधा T अलग है. नहीं same है. Dude, देखना यहाँ पे Y लग रहा है.
तू
दोनों
ज्यादा.
में नो रोहन लिखा है यहाँ पे.
I have a guess as to who this is.
Even I have a guess.
I know who it is.
Hey guys, my name is Jeff. So this is for Tanvi's vlog where each of us are going to be talking about the gifts we gave and about our Santa or Santi, whatever they are called. So my Santa or Santi, I don't know what the fuck it's called, was Rohan Pudipati. So Rohan and I have known each other since 8th grade. We were in the same class in 8th, and then we've all been friends together. We've been friends ever since. So I can say I've known Rohan pretty well. So my idea was Rohan is, you know, for lack of a better word, nerd like I am. He loves a lot of TV shows, he watches a lot of things. So I thought instead of just getting one gift to, show how much I instead of just one gift about what to show, that instead of getting a few different things, so that he can showcase and, he can appreciate, show off how much he loves those shows. So the three shows that did come into mind are three that we frequently discussed, even during lockdown on calls, video calls. We used to discuss about them: BoJack Horseman, Breaking Bad, and of course Rick and Morty. Rick and Morty being his S tier show. So the gifts I got him were 2 T-shirts, one for BoJack, one for Breaking Bad, and the mug for Rick and Morty. So the T-shirt was for BoJack, was famous in the 90s T-shirt. Tanvi just put up a picture or something, I don't know, please. For the Breaking Bad T-shirt, it was the Los Pollos Hermanos logo over here, which was Gustavo Fring's fried chicken franchise. Gustavo Fring was one of the villains. Crazy as fuck, I love that guy. And the mug was a Rick and Morty print. It was basically, I'll be sending pictures to Tanvi, hopefully she can add it to the video. Basically how the mug is, that there are, so during the heist episode Rick and Morty, Rick wears those shades and he's chewing on the lollipop. So the entire mug is just, Rick's face with the shades superimposed and the lollipop. It's just a Rick pattern. Pretty cool stuff. So that's what I got for him. Peace.
Punch someone with it, Maja.
Oh my god,
No, this is a really cool t-shirt from Red Bull. Oh my god. There are 2 Breaking Bad girl.
Okay, Rohan, who do you think it is? Come on.
Wait, I have to open the other one also.
Oh, damn.
Rohan got so many gifts.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, Shamli, your feet are so
Did this
cold.
concerned person know there was a prize?
Oh, that is
I wish I got this. I wish I got this. Oh my god.
Okay, and the other gift also. Yeah.
Okay, whoever it is, I'm really grateful because dude, love the BoJack.
I didn't know Rohan was like that.
Yeah.
Okay, it's heist jam pattern.
What?
Dude, I don't think it's the phone number. Are you reading it properly?
Yeah, I am. It's heist.
No, I think it's like from the company.
I think it's for funny heist.
Oh my god. It's a cup. Okay.
I guess.
It's good, all of us like TV shows.
I know. That makes things easier.
It's difficult to pull out.
Yeah, so pull out.
I think that
All of us played there.
guys, can somebody pull out?
I know, nicely.
It's a mug.
It's a nice mug.
Oh.
Dude, it's a Rick and Morty mug. I love this. I think it's Advait. I really think it's Advait. Hey, wrapping paper to. This is very similar to the Shamli.
Okay, I'll record.
Shamli, you chose it for yourself.
Okay.
Okay,
I do this.
Read the note.
It says, dear Shamli, Merry Christmas and a smiley.
Oh. Show handwriting. कुछ है क्या कैसे भी?
I think it's him.
Bro, I think.
Okay, hello internet. Tanvi forced us all to vlog this, so here I am. I'm Shalmali's Secret Santa. I got her this adult board game from Hamleys. You can see the fancy wrapping here. So the game is called Scruples. I thought it was cool. I hope she likes it too.
It's a game.
Maybe.
The game of. Ooh! How will what is it? Ooh, it's a game. Wait, I don't know this game
Bro,
though.
English में लिखा है पढ़ना.
वेदांग बोल रहा
What does that mean?
That got like the ball just got.
Okay, sorry. It's like the game of stupid who will respond ages 18 plus, so it's not a kiddie game.
Yeah, it's an adult game. Nice.
Should I open it like further? But I know it's you. I know it's you.
I'm Sharmili's Secret Santa.
Okay, I'm gonna open it later and see like what the game is, but I don't know. But
Okay.
Yes, it is. This Spinoza A3 and make it look like a notebook label.
Okay, this is a really creative gift wrapping.
Okay, you do.
Yeah.
This is Tanvi.
I can neither confirm that.
This Tanvi.
I got Advait, and I think I'm going to give him something BoJack Horseman related because we kind of bonded a lot over that. So what I had in mind was that I'll give him a watch with the phrase, like there's a quote from BoJack Horseman that says, "Time's arrow neither goes ahead nor stops. It merely marches forward." No. Neither what? Okay, I forgot what it is. But basically says time does not stop, it keeps moving forward. So time's arrow, that clock. So I wanted to give a watch with like that written on it, but I didn't find any play that like sells something like that. So I'm going to keep hunting, I guess. So finally, I just decided to get him like a nice clock, and I'll like write the thing on a note maybe and maybe cover it nicely and let's see.
How do you know that? Who did you guess?
Read the label.
I
guess Advait.
A3 and make it look like a notebook label. This is a BoJack reference. It is Tanvi.
Aww.
You don't need to.
That look through wrapping paper though is like
Dude, it's iconic.
beautiful. Are you sure that Tanvi?
I am pretty sure it's Tanvi.
What is it though?
What is it?
Sometime clock. I don't know what this is.
Clock? Even I don't know what the game
Is it the clock that shows some
Give me the
random
time.
यार ऐसे थोड़ी करेगा.
मजा आएगा. Dude, you source now. You are our rank decide. You see the time is.
Is anyone left to get a gift?
Yeah, Vedant.
I think that this is Vedang. This is Vedang, yeah.
Your Tiger doesn't care.
It's cool.
Okay,
now that you know,
show.
just keep this.
Show it.
Oh, dude, that's really good. Yeah.
Advait.
Yay, I knew this. This is so nice. You put a lot of effort into this. I love it. Thank you so much. See, I knew it is Tanvi.
Yeah, I told you, like the label will give it away.
Okay, so the last one then.
Yes, it's time.
Hi, so my Santee was Veda, and it was a little tricky thinking about a gift for him because I knew he liked comics and Batman things, but I have no knowledge of that world. So what I did was Google certain terms that I could think of, like Batman comics or DC comics. But the universe is so vast, like the DC universe is so vast that I didn't know where to begin because there are so many options. So I sort of spoke to a bunch of people and asked them what a good gift would be. And I was told not to get something mainstream because a comic enthusiast might have it already. And it was suggested to me that something like Batman Year One was a little niche, so I should probably get that. So that's what I did. Yeah, and that was my biggest fear. I thought that I would get something and Vedang would have it already, and yeah, I did not want that to happen. Also, additionally, I when I had done Secret Santa once before, I had received this gift, a care package thing with like a bunch of goodies and sweet little messages, and I really liked it when I received it, so I wanted to do that too. So yeah, I also did that.
What is it exactly?
Oh my god, I just saw the DC logo. Oh my god, Batman, you are! I love it! Yes! Yes! Your one is epic as fuck, dude. I love it, but I don't have the physical copy, so I love it.
Dude, who do you get?
Oh my
There's
god.
one more, right?
Yeah, there is one more. Let me open it, then I'll see.
Is it Koda?
Edit.
Show it for the
Edit. Edit out.
Oh my god, okay, there's Nutties, there's Nescafe.
That's a really cool gift.
Damn, you're kind, caring, and very intelligent.
And झूठ कौन लिखता है?
You're going to do great things in your life. Merry Christmas, there's a bunch of chocolates. That's
I can tell this is not Shalini.
Oh god, this is so...
Is someone outside this group?
Wait, there's something. Oh yeah.
Okay, Vedant, guess.
Yes.
Fucking hell.
So actually your parents gave this to us so we could give it to you.
Guess, come on, guess it.
Okay, Angad का हो गया है. I'm just eliminating. Tanvi का हो गया है. Shalini
No,
हो गया है.
मेरे को
Advait
change
हो गया
करना है मेरा, because I don't.
This is Rohan, Srinidhi, Kumar, and Jeffy left. Batman. I think it's Jeffy.
Nice.
Let's see.
Okay, I
It's Jeffy.
I'm not saying it.
It is Jeffy.
My Santi was Vedang.
This was a successful unveiling. Yes.
Yes. Yay!
Finding AF. Yeah,
About to do a sting operation. What we'll do, we'll go through people and ask if they want to do cocaine. And they'll say yes. Because they don't know they're recording. Like they won't find out. That's not how this works. Wait. Let me direct my sting operation. Okay. See you guys later. Hey Kumar, you want to do cocaine or what?
So that professor is like plays the
Not
role of
really.
Kumar.
I'm eating pizza.
Do you have something to say to the vlog?
I am getting more pizza.
That's it?
Yeah.
I'm guessing the short in that.
Okay, and then your joke.
Yes, tell me.
Okay.
Shanvi, are you taking a photo or a video?
Of us.
No, we're not pointing at you. It's front cam.
हाँ, बोल, joke.
I forgot actually.
बोलना.
अरे याद नहीं आ रहा
Do
है
magic.
क्या? Do I improvise? Okay. How much is this?
2.
Not really.
What was you were saying that the guy plays sound?
Better magic trick, come on.
See my one hand now. Point here. It's crushed underneath Kumar.
The vlog is so
Oh, thanks man. Yes, sorry.
I want to say that.
That professor from community plays the role of the guy who's like a... No, the biology one.
Give 10 rupees.
I don't have money.
Give na.
GPay.
I look forward to it. We have video evidence.
कोई GPay.
दूसरे drug dealers को से चोरी करता है.
Settle कर देंगे.
I text you on GPay like hi. What's up?
I'm not on GPay.
Wow. Dude, this is not fair.
No, I'm on UPI though.
And you will pay me 10 rupees?
I'm on UPI though.
What the fuck is UPI? It's a service. Like what?
Bhim UPI.
Bhim. I only use Chota Bhim. I don't use that shit. Okay, but can we text on Bhim?
Yeah.
I'll text you on Bhim.
Okay. Actually,
Early 2000s style. So when you watch it,
do you want to say something? Video on it? Yes. Okay guys, I think this is like a really good party. You should be.
Are you grateful?
Yes.
I'm so grateful for all of you. Aww. Yeah.
I'm not really like I could cherry pick a few of you.
अबे निकल तो उधर से.
No, you are cherry picked.
Thank you. Okay, then you're good. Yeah, I love you.
I'll pick everyone here, like except Vedang maybe.
I love you. I love you.
Hey, I heard this song. Daft Punk.
Okay, good. I'm going to stop this now. Bye. Any parting words for this vlog?
It was the worst part of the.
I think boys played well.
Inshallah, boys played well.
We'll definitely do it next season again.
Sure.
The pitch
Oh
was
my
not
God, we really
for our side.
Shout out to Srinidhi and Advait.
But the audience was really helpful and weather was nice.
Good job.
The water boys also played really well, gave us water on time.
That's nice.
And the enemy team did like nice bowling, but our batting was what helped us get this far in the game.
Who would you like to credit your success to?
Me.
You would like to credit your success to yourself?
All of it, dude. Nobody else.
नहीं bro, क्या मैं?
All these people want a peace of mind.
You can find Medler on Instagram, Spotify, and YouTube.
The handles डाल देंगे edit करके. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Hi.
एक second, turn it around.
Can you see me?
Can you see me?
Hi. Can you see
Oh my
me?
God, you're covering me. That's not fair.
Okay, Vedang, चलो दिखा.
Hi.
Amartya, name everyone you can see. Okay, बस निकल. Okay. Hi.
अमर्त्या क्या पी रहा है तू? अरे ब्रो रोहन को तो मिल.
अरे. Oh, cheers, cheers, cheers. Cheers.
This is Rohan. My camera is नीचे.
I don't think you ever met Rohan. This is Rohan.
We haven't met in person कभी.
Rohan, this is Rohan. He loves
Go
you.
ahead, go ahead, go ahead. This is Rohan. Amartya, you.
Hey bro.
Rohan, you need to drink after doing cheers. You need to drink after doing cheers. Otherwise,
Please drink.
please drink. I don't want to say otherwise what. Otherwise what?
Oh no, otherwise full stop. Full stop.
Wait, I don't know, 7 years.
I think it's 8. I don't know. I've heard like different versions of that.
Listen, Rohan, I know we haven't met in real, but I know you'll be cute because you're Advait and Angad's friend.
Oh!
का नाम नहीं लिया.
That means all of us are cool.
I'm just gonna like be here.
I want this gang to be cool.
Oh.
I just wish that, like, before I forget, let me just say this. I really wish that I had met you guys much earlier in my life.
Oh,
Dude, that's so sweet.
That's so sweet. We wish you were here.
Pondicherry आएगा bro trip मारने.
We come to Vizag.
क्या करेगा?
Jeffy, yeah, Jeffy featuring Jeffy's Pondicherry trip. Can you fit in 9 people?
Bro, मैं तो आ रहा है next year. Dude, that's my hometown.
Really?
Oh my God.
To you.
What is it called?
Because I know why.
What, man?
Yeah, but quick maths. 2 plus 2.
That's 4.
4.
Minus 1. That's 3 quick maths.
8.
What? 4 plus 4, 3.
2 plus 4?
1.
Okay, actual quick maths. 17 minus 35.
Minus 17.
Dude,
No, that's not right.
Minus 18.
Minus
18.
You could still answer anything and just say it was quick.
It was quick. I didn't deny that.
Three, 2, 1, stop!
Ball is divided here. Bring it back. I believe it.
Bro, what are you doing?
Guys, this is so bad.